now what? It's always something. My tires are bald. Oh, I'm out of oil. Stop jumping me. Bitch, bitch, bitch. We got viewers. Don't ruin this for me. Hi. Gonna follow along? 10 easy steps before I send him to the crusher. Here is everything you will need. Let's assess the damage. Yep, pretty cloudy. Before we begin, you need to clean off all the bug guts and fly testicles. You heard me.
Ew, that's what that is?
Just squirt it all over the place. Who gives a rip? If you don't have a crap box, spend the time prepping. Wiping on, wiping off. This is gonna be your life now. Get used to it. Pretty noticeable difference even after one step. Not bad. Here you need some water to use on the green pad marked number 1. Now you flip over the pad and sand the brown side marked number 2. Always use a clean rag to wipe stuff off. Back to the goop. I did the other one and got the same result. Please, sir, could I have another glove? You've only given me one. To be honest, this is the most frustrating part. They say it's enough for 2 cars, yet they only give you one cheap glove. I'd get some rubber gloves if I were to do this again. You can use one wipe for 2 headlights, so make sure to go through all the steps on both sides before doing this. Here's the good and the bad. It's about 15 bucks. It's easy. You only need a couple household essentials. You could probably bang out 2 cars in about an hour side by side. Didn't help my van, and only one glove. That's pretty dumb. I mean, lots of rags, 10 microfiber rags per car, and you should be good. Overall, pretty happy with it. Chuck, it's my turn to drive.